Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. You might remember back in August of this year that I managed to find these pair of pliers here on one of the stalls. I got it as a set of 3 tools. It may have cost me about £3, I can't remember. But they are by Wilkinsons Tools. They're not a bad pair of pliers actually, as you can see. There's just a little bit of a very light surface rust here and there, and the handles are in very good condition too. There's no rust in the joint either that I can see, and they run very, very smoothly indeed. Okay, so they look like they're in very, very good condition. Not been used a great deal, I don't think. There's a little bit of a surface rust going on, as you can see just here, but there's not a lot, and I'm sure we can fetch that off quite easily. One way I like to look at a pair of pliers, see what the quality is can we cut paper with them? Okay, so let's see just how good these things are at cutting paper then. Give them a go. Not bad at all. So as I say, I think that's quite a good indication of how good the pliers are. Okay, let's give them a bit of a clean up then, shall we guys, and see what they look like afterwards, because I think they should come out really nicely. There's some shiny metal underneath this rust, and yeah, I think they should come out quite nicely actually guys. Let's give it a go. I initially took the light rust off with some wire wool, after which, as you can see, I gave it a bit of a polishing with this wheel of mine, this buffing wheel of mine. It did a fairly good job too. After which I needed to clean the handles up because they were very grubby, so we took those into the downstairs washroom and gave them a clean with some soap. And this was followed up by a good drying down with some paper towels. Okay, so what have they come out like then? Very nicely indeed, I would say. This is a very nice bit of material here. Very shiny, you can almost not keep hold of it, it's that shiny. The handles are not too bad. I mean, there are a few little cuts and scratches in them. There's a bit of a cut or scratch just there. But you know, for the age of the thing, and I don't know how old these are, they've come out really nice actually. I don't think they've been used, to be honest with you, because they're so clean. There's no damage to the teeth in here, of the jaws, at all really. Not much. Right, the other side. Yeah, that's exactly the same. Not bad at all actually guys. So we've got a little bit of a scarring on the handle. Just right there, as you can see, but just look at it, almost a mirror finish there. As you can see, it's by Wilkinsons Tools, it says just there. Made in England too, so yeah, and these jaws are nice and sharp. We'll try the cutting action in a little while, but I have actually got another pair of Wilkinsons pliers, namely this pair here, and looking at the Art Deco font just here, I'm going to say these are most likely from the 1930s. They're quite a nice little pair of pliers too. Okay, so will they still cut paper? Here's a bit of paper again, give it a go, see what happens. No, I hope we haven't taken, oh no, we cut it. I wonder if we'd taken the edge off them by, you know, with the polishing and cleaning up, but it doesn't look like it, does it guys? I wonder what else I'll cut. Right, I've got a length of 2mm twin and earth here, used in the mains and houses. Not bad at all, look at that. Straight through it. Awesome. Got some heavy duty tie wrap here, or what's left of it. Let's give that a go. Oh yeah. No problem at all with that stuff then. Got some multi-core cable here, try that. Oh yes, it cuts that all the way up and down, as you can see. That's really good. And there's also a little cutter on the side just here. Drop that in there and give it a go. Almost, not quite, it doesn't really like cutting multi-stranded stuff. Okay, so what about this 2mm solid copper here? Try that in there. Oh yeah, it quite likes that too. Likes it a lot better than the other stuff anyway. Okay, so they like cutting stuff, so what are they like at gripping, bending and pulling stuff then, I wonder? Okay, so I've got that heavy duty tie wrap trapped in my little vise here. See how well they can grip. Yep, almost pulling the bench off the wall. You can maybe see the, possibly see the stretching a little bit. So they're quite good at gripping stuff then. Right, I've got some 2mm thick aluminium plate here. Give it a go. That's alright. They bent that a treat. Quite tough stuff. No, it's only aluminium, but it's the thickest stuff I could find. The handles are nice and comfortable to get hold of too. A nice coating here. I don't know, it's dipped, I dare say. Some sort of plastic is dipped. You can see where it's the little drips on the end there. And yeah, quite a nice pair of pliers. I've got some other 8-inch pliers about here as well. These are the better quality ones I've got. These are Engineer Negisaurus RX. Model number is PX59s on these. And I've got these Laowa Tools slip joint pliers. These are very nice too. So these are the quality ones. Then I've got these rather cheap Mai pliers I got from GearBest the other year. I can't remember how much they cost me. They weren't a great deal, but they're not all that good, I suppose, but they're okay as pliers go. They'd be ideal as a cheap set, you know, disposable set almost, I guess. Not really tried these, to be honest. I don't know what they're like, to be honest with you. I wonder if they can manage 2mm twin and earth. Yep. Let's not forget my Draper compound action pliers here. Give you that little bit more leverage. Actually, these for compound actions, these open quite wide actually, guys. Open as easily as wide as these Wilkinsons. I do actually have 2 more pairs of 8-inch pliers on order at the moment. I'm hoping they're going to be in next week sometime. Well, I know I can pick one set up on Tuesday because it was delivered to work, so I can pick that one up. But hopefully there's another interesting pair of pliers coming in next week too, so that's a couple of more pliers for you to look out for. If you want to see what they are, check out my Instagram feed, because that's where they will be first of all. So check the Instagram, guys, and you can see what's coming in next week. Well, I think these pliers came out really nicely actually. Thinking about it, I think I paid £2 for those 3 tools actually, so not bad at all. What I paid for these. They're almost, well, they are like new, to be honest with you. Look at that. For, you know, car boot sale pliers, they're not bad at all. And they're going to be going into my toolbox drawer very shortly, just as soon as I finish this review. That's where they're going to go, guys. So yeah, so what do you think? Have you picked up a decent pair of pliers from the boot sale? I mean, I've picked up some real crappy ones, but these are really nice, these are. But you've just got to, you know, pick and choose and be very careful what you pay for, and check the cutting edges as well. If you want a good cutting edge, it's no good you getting, because some people, when you get these pliers off of the boot sale, some people have been really abusive to them, like cutting nails and bits and pieces with them. I have here a vintage pair of pliers. These are really nice, these. I think these will clean up very nicely. But if we take a look at the cutting jaws here, you can see these have been abused by cutting nails and God knows what. Just completely ruined what is otherwise a perfectly nice pair of pliers. You can see the gap through there, look guys. Just completely ruined a very nice pair of pliers actually. Okay then guys, that's my review and clean up of these very nice Wilkinsons Tools pliers here, made in England back in the day. I think these are really nice actually. I was really pleased to pick these ones up, especially when I found out how sharp the cutters are on these things. Very nice pair of pliers actually. Very pleased with these. Okay then guys, let me know what you think. I hope you come back again in the very near future, and basically thanks for watching.
Ruff, ruff.